It is snowing. The first significant snowfall of the year. It is November 16th, 2022. I'm filming this. Whoa, you can't even see the mountains. It's snowing pretty good. Snow's just getting started. It is 8 p.m. on November the 15th, 2022. The snowstorms mostly moved out. And be a little bit extra tonight. Everywhere is covered in snow. This isn't the first snow we've had this year. We had about a ½ inch in October, but this is the first real snow we've had this year. I always love the first real snowfall of the year. You saw the snow covers everything. The roads, sidewalks, the yard, cars, the porches. Everything is just covered in snow. There's no salt in the roads yet to make it a slushy mess. It's just an even white blanket over everything. There's snow on the roof too. Snow in the yard and snow up there. Supposedly there's going to be a little bit more overnight, but might just get sleet and freezing rain instead. Saw a bunch of green in the radar for rain and some pink for sleet. It is 1 p.m. November the 16th. Really is the 16th this time. As you can see, all the snow is plowed. A lot of snow is cleared out. It's still cold, like around freezing, and it's snowing again. The temperatures are a little bit below average. Our average high for today is 48 Fahrenheit, and our average low is 30. So we are right now at about our average low. Despite the temperatures, the snow still is melting. So the ground's still warm. It didn't have time for the ground to really get cold. You can tell it's all just glorpy. Whoa! Slippy too. That is some glorpy slosh. It's the night of November 16th. The skies are clear, but that's only temporary. We're getting more snow tonight. We got a little bit of snow earlier. There's a fresh dusting on the deck. And don't forget the original snow we had before that. It is 7 a.m. November 17th. More snow is falling. About another ½ inch to an inch of snow is falling on top of what was left of the original snow, completely restoring the white blanket of snow that made everything into a magical winter wonderland. It is 10 p.m. on November the 17th, 2022. And it's definitely winter now. And if you can believe it, there's even more snow on the way. It is November the 18th, and the snow has returned, and oh my, is it coming down. And you can't really hardly see anything. There's still the old snow everywhere. Here's the new snow in the yard. It's fallen already on top of the old snow. It's a winter wonderland for sure. If the whole winter's like this, we're going to be seeing a lot more snow vlogs. So stay tuned.